So, got my gram scale, put my paper on it, tied it out, away my gum. I was giving you about 2.68. You're at 2.66. Should be about right. And I'm gonna chew it. This is steel wool, okay? Steel wool looks like this, and I'm pulling it apart a little bit because I am going to burn it. All right? I'm gonna light this on fire. And it needs to be it's gotta have some pockets in it in order to light on fire effectively. It can't be too dense or else it doesn't do a good job. So I kind of fluff it out a little bit. And I got another scale here. You can see I got the burn marks on it. I forgot to put something down. So I'm gonna put down a protective cover on this so I don't burn it again. Now, I got my scale. I'm gonna put a little protective covering on it, which is 3.5 grams. I'm gonna zero that out. And I'm gonna put my steel all puffed out onto my scale. Okay, when you burn steel, it burns really, really hot.
Are you still chewing that gum?
I'm still chewing that gum. Metal cylinder. And I'm gonna put this metal cylinder in some water. Okay? So I'm gonna put some water in here, and then I'm gonna drop the metal cylinder in. Let's go. Put water up to about the halfway mark, about 500 milliliters. So I drop the cylinder in.
It's drowning.
It sinks. Okay? So here's my question. If I add 500 more grams or 500 more milliliters of water, will the cylinder float, stay sunk, or go to the middle? I'm gonna blow up two balloons. I'm gonna blow up the purple one really big. I'm gonna blow up the pink one kind of small. Okay? I'm gonna attach them both to opposite ends of this tube, and then I'm gonna release them. My question is, will the pink balloon get bigger, smaller, or stay the same? Tube, big balloon, small balloon.
Is this for YouTube purposes?
Number 4.
Ow.
This is indeed for YouTube purposes. I've got here a mirror. Okay? And a disc that is vertical. Okay? It's like a coin, but it's really big. All right, I'm gonna spin this disc. Then I have a disc that is horizontal, also known as a top, right? And I'm gonna spin this disc. My question is, which disc will spin longer? A horizontal disc or a vertical disc?